Yep. Yep, it's broken. Can you guess where I'm headed? So this is like my fourth or fifth trip to the junkyard, to this junkyard, the pull apart in Winston, in the past month. Yeah, I like it. And we're here to look for a pilot, and actually I just found the first one. I've got 3 on my list, and we're gonna try to see if they have, oh, nope, it's gone. Let's kind of see if they have the tail light, and it's not there, so off to the next one. One good thing is, I don't know, I guess this isn't the good thing. One thing is I don't know how to take this thing off, nor how to put one back on. And the junkyard kind of gives you a place to practice. And that sounds bad. I don't want to break anything, but I'd much rather break a junkyard part than to, I'd rather break a junkyard part than to break a part in my wife's car. So this gives me practice of taking one out. So yeah, let's go find the other ones and hope. Well, that seems dangerous. Well. We're back at this white Pilot. Now, you guys may or may not, and probably don't even give a crap, you may remember, this is the Pilot I got the running boards for my wife's car off of. Yeah. So we're back at this Pilot. Both tail lights are here. That one's got some cracks. I need this one here. And it's got a little chip right there. I think that can be buffed out. I think just that little chip is all that's wrong. I think they charge like 40 bucks here for a tail light. I think this would be a great candidate to get. That's one small little spot. It's like maybe polish that little piece out, but I think this is what we're to go with. Looking at this, I got some Phillips heads, which also probably have, it's probably an 8 mil, maybe a 10. I got those 2 bolts there. So let's figure out how to get this thing off. I'm gonna start with those and go from there. Sweet, a dime. All right, so it is 8mm. So let's pop these off. I did not bring, in an effort to save some weight today, I did not bring my impact, which would make this a little bit easier. Not that this is difficult, but yeah. So unscrew these and see what happens next. And hopefully it really just kind of bolt in. Okay, so I've undone those 2 pieces that we found. I do have, it's catching on something. I wonder if I need a little tool here, a little pry tool on that side. So let me pause this, grab that. All right, so I took my little pry tool and I started wedging up here on this inside panel, and it is moving, and actually gives me some space over here. I can look inside, I can see there's 2 clips. Oh, there we go. You got 2 clips here and here. They go on the outside on the quarter panel. Yeah, so this is a lot easier than I expected it to be. So 2 8mm bolts, machine screws. So they go there. 2 clips here that just pop in. And this is going home. And hopefully she doesn't hit anything else. Ah, man. All right. Got this G35 here, and as I was kind of walking around it, notice this. So at one point this thing had some nice suspension on it. It's been the suspension seems to have been taken out already. I don't see it inside, but yeah, again, sometimes you find some like cool parts in the junkyard. Now obviously one strut is not going to do us much good here. But I thought it was pretty dang cool that that is here. So anyway, yeah, then you got our old 2nd gen Eclipse switch. By the way, I got something held for me at the front, and I'm excited about it. I'm very excited about it. But anyway, I'll show you at the end. I mean, it's nothing that special, but I'll show you at the end when I actually pick it up. All right, as I was about to do a quick little video on this, which I'll post sometime soon, I filmed this exhaust laying here. Now I've kind of taken a rag and rubbed over a little bit to see if there's any markings. There's no markings, but I was kind of hoping to be something cool. And I looked, I don't know what it's off of around here. It's not the G35, because this got its stock exhaust on there or something similar. I don't know what it's off of, but someone took the time to take it off and then left on one bolt of all of that. So anyway, more junkyard stuff. And there was this here too. I have to wonder, did my wheels come off of something like this? Different junkyard, so not this one, but did they come off of something like this? All right, let's keep on rolling. All right, exhaust is over there. Here's this Nissan Sentra. I'm walking by, and here's a brand new 6.5-inch circular saw blade. Here's an old Jag. I'm gonna look at this car, and I'm gonna take that because, hey, it's brand new. That'd be good. All right, guys, that is it. Let's head on out. There's our buddy, the Suzuki, the red Suzuki X90. I'll wrap this up in just a minute when I get out to the car with my receipt of how much stuff costs, and show you the other thing that I'm picking up, which I'm excited about, kind of. I mean, I'm excited because it's only $1. But yeah, anyway, thanks for tuning in. See you guys in a moment. And here we are. $2 in miscellaneous. Taillight was $30. My total day was $35.66. There's the Honda Pilot taillight, the new circular saw blade, and don't flame me for being a heart. It's $1, whatever. But the thing I was excited about was this here, an old Chilton's manual for old 1st gen DSM. I thought that was really cool. I thought it was just a cool find, and so for $1, why not? It's a little bit greasy in the corners, but otherwise it's in pretty dang good shape. So I will save that for a DSM friend. So anyway, that's that, man. $35 saves a whole lot of money over buying new for my wife or get on eBay. So I'm stoked. Anyway, you guys make me stoked too. Thanks for watching. See ya.